Hey, assalamualaikum everyone. So the scenario we talked about in the yesterday's video is coming into full play right now because Pepe is doing incredibly amazing well. Bitcoin is looking good as well. But before we get into the Pepe update, I still think that because the market has been down just a little bit, and it's always a bad idea to get coins that have already pushed to the upside. So for example, this one right here, you're looking at Pepe. Pepe actually pushed up. We have ICP that actually pumped, Bonk that pumped, Dogecoin that pumped, Shiba that pumped, and now this is a coin for you guys. I think you must get it for the next bull run just a little bit. So to get it for free, scroll down, click on the Discord, click on my name, and drop me a message. Just say the word coin, all right? Just say coin, which coin, whatever you want to message me, okay? Now, getting back into the Pepe update here, Pepe, I think, is safe to say that probably is looking to go back into this technical target up here, which is back to the all-time high one more time, I guess. So what I talked about yesterday is that on the 1 hour time frame we kind of broke up above this trend line. So you can see that you went down like this, continued to go down, a break to the upside, came for the retest, and that actually started to push to the upside. I actually noticed that this pattern is probably a descending broadening wedge. So this is actually bullish, which means that if you see a downtrend that is broadening, which expands, and then you break above that thing, it means you are probably going to be looking at the prices going back up to 11,000, probably 10,000, which is the place where you came back from. And who knows, we may have the chance to actually touch 13,000 one more time. So I want to show you the daily time frame because the daily looks so good. Okay, daily does look really good. Here is why. EMAs, man, we are above the 10 and the 20. We still did not have the crossover of the 10 and the 20. Instead, you push back up above those two EMAs, which is a very positive thing to do. However, I'm going to end with this one, that if Pepe comes to 5739, as I spoke even in yesterday's video, that will be the end of what is potentially a very good setup right now to continue to climb back to the upside. And that's all for this video. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.